Welcome to Fancy Time. Today we are going to introduce a really trending and amazing product which is great for creation and imagination, especially for kids. And I'm going to show you the details of the material, the function, and most importantly, how to customize this and build your brand. These are 3D printing pen. This is the material, and when you put the material into the pen, it can heat the material and to melt it, and then you can make any kind of 3D printing like this one. You can use different colors to make this. It is really interesting like this. You can make all kinds of toys by yourself. It's really helpful for kids' creation and intelligence. These are all kinds of 3D printing pen. Let's see how to use it and what kind of items it can make. I would say it's better than almost all toys to give to children, that children create toys, not just play toys. Now you've learned how amazing the product is. Actually, it's not just for kids, it's also a good toy for adults and a good tool for professionals. Now, in order to brand this product, you have to know some basics about it. What pen consumables to use is a careful choice. Typically, there are three: ABS, PCL, and PLA. The first one, PCL, is mainly for kids. The melting point is about 60 degrees, the lowest among the three materials. It is biodegradable material, bright in color, non-toxic, and tasteless, so very suitable for children. However, the shortage is that it's not high temperature resistant, so it's easy to be deformed when exposed to high temperatures. However, the good thing is it is relatively simple to modify the details of the work, which can be directly assisted by hot water. This is also the material used in the pigment refill of low-temperature printing pens in the market. This 3D printing pen is aimed at the children's market and usually matches with ceramic pen tips. Secondly, PLA is mainly for amateur adults. The melting point is above 150 degrees. It is also biodegradable material. The strength is also very good. The weak part is it's easy to fracture, more suitable for the production of some small crafts. The color of PLA material is much brighter than ABS material, and there's no need to worry about shrinkage when cooling. One more thing, the material is easy to block the pen tip, so you should clean it more often. The 3D pen using this material is suitable for adult beginners or adult artisans and painting masters who like to make small craft works. Thirdly, ABS material, it is for sophisticated users, professionals. The melting point is above 200 degrees. It is very easy to shrink during cooling. If the temperature is not well controlled, it is likely to cause shrinkage, deformation, and the wrapping of the model. The good thing of ABS is that it's very strong and the strength is relatively good. It can stand high temperature and are very tough compared to the other two. The 3D printing pen made of this material is suitable for adult artisans who likes to make large works or works requiring more flexibility. While the main function of different pens is pretty much the same, there are differences we have to know. For example, some pens have built-in batteries which don't have to be wire changing while using, some has to be plugged in while working, and some have LED display to show temperature, allowing for better control during creation. Some allow you to adjust the speed of material processing, which affects details of the items you make. If you Google this product on Amazon or look for it in local store, you'll find all kinds of prices ranging from $30 to several $100s. Actually, the supply price in China vary a lot, ranging from the $10 to about $70. It depends on what material you require, what consumables, and what pen materials you use. Also, do you need to customize packaging? What kind of packaging you require? Normally, packaging price can vary from less than $1 to about $5, depending on how big and how well it is. If you want to put your logo on a pen, it is also doable. However, the manufacturer may require a MOQ of about 3,000 units also. Different factories and requirements may differ. What can we help? We can help you locate a good manufacturer, check samples, facilitate customization, negotiate prices, etc. We hope to offer any kind of help we can do to help with your branding. Just visit our website www.brandempower.com, and if there's anything, you could always reach out our email info@brandempower.com.